Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as we all know, there was a heavy sell-off on Euro USD after the US sales report yesterday. Because after the US sales report, there was a huge rally on US dollar. This is the dollar index chart here, and you can see that there was a sudden up move after the report. And as we all know, if dollar starts going up, then currencies like euro, British pound starts going down, and if dollar starts going down, then we see up move on euro and GBP. As there was a huge buying, there was a sudden buying on the US dollar. So there was a heavy sell off on euro USD yesterday, but somehow this level successfully successfully uh, managed managed to hold this support level. And if you have watched my previous videos on euro USD, then you can easily recognize these levels, and if you have not, then please watch the video carefully, because we'll be doing the analysis first. We'll try to understand what is going on euro USD, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? So if you look at the chart of Euro USD here, then we can still see that Euro USD is an uptrend. There is no improvement, no trend reversal on the chart of Euro USD. So in simple words, this market is under the influence dominance of sellers. Number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. Clear? And if we come to the present portion of the market here, or present trend of the market here, then the present trend of the market is also same. Because sometimes we see that a market is in downtrend for 1 month, but in the present trend is sideways, or in the present trend we see market trying to reverse. But in the case of Euro US, you can see that overall trend of the market is also very much bearish, and the present trend is also very much bearish. Because here market was trying to recover, but after the news on yesterday, everything again is back to zero again. Euro USD is still under the very much under the dominance of sellers again. So the trend is bearish. There should not be any doubt here. The second important point that I always talk in my videos, in hundreds of my videos, is area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support. Or in simple words, if a market is going up, then you get the best price near the support. Or on the other hand, if a market is going down, then you get the best price to short the market near the resistance. Therefore, area of value in an uptrend market is near the support, and area of value in a downtrend market is near the resistance. And as we have already discussed, Euro USD is bearish downtrend, therefore area of value is near the resistance only. Therefore we should find the area of value or the resistance so that we get the best price or the best trading opportunity. And if we look at the chart of Euro USD here, then we can see that I have already drawn a trend line here, and you can see that this trend line is acting as a very strong resistance for the market, because you can see whenever market was trying to go up, it faced severe selling pressure from above. As a result, market failed to go up, and this trend line is still a valid resistance for the market. And therefore, if you do not have these lines in your trading platform or charting platform, then my dear friends, I'll request you to draw these lines so that you can understand the market better, so that you can do proper analysis and proper trade. So the first trading opportunity, or the best and the safest, let me add the word safest here. So the safest trading opportunity on the chart of Euro USD is shorting the market, at this trend line. This is the first trading opportunity and the safest trading opportunity. because see, if you short the market here, you will be following the trend of the market. Okay, the area of value is also there, so everything falls in line. And once you see market reversing from this trend line, okay, listen to me carefully. If market goes up from here, then do not short the market right away. Okay, only short the market when market will be reversing. So only short the market if you see market reversing from this trend line, then you'll get the best shorting opportunity. Okay, that is the first trading opportunity. And on the other hand, you can see that right now market is quite far away from this trend line and market is trading here. Therefore, this is your second trading opportunity. As you can see that I have already marked this level 1.1710, and I have been talking about this level for quite some time because this level belongs to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of Euro USD, and as we all know, weekly chart is important for any market because it belongs to the institutional traders, the big players, the big boys. So in the case of Euro USD also, we see that when there was a sharp fall yesterday, but still market somehow managed to hold the position, and therefore there is a good possibility that market will be holding the position as right now also. And you can see that previously also, when there was a selling pressure on Euro USD in the month of March, this was the level that provided support to the market. Therefore right now I'll say that market is in a good position to go for buy, because if you look at the chart of DXY here, this is the chart of DXY US dollar. Okay, so you can see that DXY is standing at resistance here. Okay, resistance here, and there is a possibility that DXY may be going down a little bit for consolidation. I'm not saying trend reversal. DXY is extremely bullish again. Okay, so in case DXY goes for consolidation, then we'll see some good buying on Euro USD. So anyways, what I'm saying is that, okay, if you want to take a trade here right now, then you can go for a trade here because this support belongs to the weekly chart. So you can go for a buy here, but keep in mind that this level, market has been testing this level for quite some time. Okay, listen to me carefully now. Market has been testing this level for quite some time, and we have seen in every market of the world that whenever you find market testing a level too much, that level loses its strength. The level loses its strength whenever you'll find market testing a level too much, and market has been testing this level too much for right now. Therefore market may break also. So I'm requesting you, okay, if you go for a buy here, still do not take any heavy position, follow proper risk management, and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Okay, and one more reason for suggesting you not to take heavy position is that, see, there was a heavy fall yesterday. Okay, therefore still number of sellers are quite higher in comparison to number of buyers. You can seriously try to understand the market psychology here. From here till here, it took around 15-20 candles to reach this level. For market, it took around 15 to 20 candles to reach this level. But from here till here, market came down in only two candles, So just try to imagine the selling pressure on the market. So if you want to initiate a buy position right now, initiate a very small position. That's it. And still I'll say that this will be your safest trading, this level will be your safest trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if market breaks the level also, okay, do not short the market right away. At least wait for 4 to 6 hours. And see how the market is doing. If you see market is trading below this level, 1710 level, for 4 to 6 hours, if you see that after 4 to 6 hours also there is selling pressure, high selling pressure on the market, then only short the market, because this level belongs to the weekly chart. Therefore shorting the market right away will be a big mistake. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on Euro USD chart right now. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.